Everyone, of course, wants their video to go viral.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Of course, but it's difficult. Of course, YouTube is an entertainment platform, so you should always strive to make your stuff as entertaining as possible. If it's informative, at least you should be brisk and to the point. And some jokes in there are good as well. But if anything else, it should really be the more entertaining you can make it, like la la la, whatever. I'm not obviously good at making things entertaining, but hopefully somebody on your team is. And then you can get more sharing. Now, to get like millions of millions of views is really hard, even for good videos, right? There's a little bit of an art to making these, but even more of an art to promoting it. Sometimes it requires real muscle that goes on behind the scenes that we don't know as consumers. And not everybody can make these kinds of videos. But even before talking about that, to truly make an entertaining video, it's art, right? It's entertainment. It's the right combination of flow, script, sequence, filming. Everything's got to be right, and it's got to be put together. It's expensive to make. It often requires teams of more than one person, more than one actor, maybe multiple camera views, right? Difficult to make, more expensive. Requires a lot of marketing. So there's a lot of promise and potential with this format, but it's the hardest one to make, right? So there's two kinds of viral videos, right? There is that general viral video, maybe of like a funny cat or a nice cute animal or anything else that's funny or cute or nice. And that stuff is mostly entertainment. It's typically very hard to upsell. And the only time that you really are able to sell things from it is if you have really like stratospheric reach, right? If you really get a ton of like million views for a video or 100,000 or 500,000 or right, then of course you can sell anything with those numbers, even if you just hint at it, right? But below that, it's hard because people are going to share it, but they're not like buyers. They're people like browsing the web, getting entertained, browsing their Facebook. They might not care about the product you ultimately want to sell. So the conversion rate for that is typically low if you're selling something. Now, I want to show you one thing that one really interesting example of a viral video that's made to be viral within an industry, okay? And I'm going to show you an example that's a guy made it who his business was, he was selling pool products. Pool, like at home you have a pool where you swim, not pool the game. And basically pool cleaning products. A very boring industry. Very boring, right? So he made a video to stand out. And here's the video. And it's a rap video because he teaches basically how to clean the pool while selling the products, right? And here's the video. I'll play you a little bit. You see, if you want to learn how to take care of your pool, there's a rap video for it. It shows you how to do it, sells product in the meantime. And guess what this did, right? He's promoting this Swim University. It's his website. And essentially everybody in this industry has seen this video because it's one of its kind. No one else has something like this in the pool care industry. And you can see that he does a lot of videos like this. None of these, you see the Swim University is him, none of these have as much, well, he's got a really good one with 122,000 views. But essentially this is the video that he got known for and it went viral. And I actually haven't ever seen this video, I just noticed it. But let's take a look at what that is, that got 122,000 views. Maybe it's also funny, entertaining, and viral. And we'll get to it after we skip the ad.
Hey everybody, welcome to to SwimUniversity.com. My name is Matt Giovanisi, and today we're going to talk about getting rid of algae in your swimming pool. As you can see at the pool behind us, it's a little bit
I'm going to fast forward this a little bit just to see what the magic here is and why it got so many views.
green. It's not too dark. Now that we have all the sediment vacuumed out algae, it can. All right, and now.
Okay, this is going to be a very informative video, it looks like. It's possible that when you see such an inflated number of views like you see here, 123,000, he may be paying for ads, right? He may be promoting it extra. This is maybe not a viral video. This may be maybe something that he did AdWords for. Maybe he did a advertising campaign, which is very common, because if you have a video that converts well, any video that has a high conversion rate of sales, what do you want to do? Of course, you want to get more views, and if it makes money, you can afford to pay for views. And I think that's what he did here. I'm sure it also ranks well for how to get rid of swimming pool algae. And when people search that, they probably find this video. Although probably most of the views still, I would guess, came from some sort of advertising. So the previous video, that's of interest to us. And that was the video with the rap video, because you see how he went viral, and he just did it for his industry. He got known in his industry, you know, and he also explains to potential customers how to clean the pool. So, you know, it's kind of, he kind of did it for his own niche, which is a little bit more highly converting and really, really stands out. If I were him, I'd maybe also take a lot more advantage of SEO, but maybe he did. Let's take a look at, you know, pool care, right? What if you search for pool care? Let's see if we find his video. Where is his video? Right there. So it ranks in YouTube search, and I think it does pretty well. You know, I'm looking at the other videos; they all have a lot of views. And I think he does pretty well for himself. He does take advantage of SEO, and he does get views from this search. You know, I'd probably press the gas more on the SEO and do other techniques that I see that he's not doing. But again, we'll talk about SEO more later. For now, I just wanted you to kind of understand the two kinds of viral videos you can make, and really what you can expect from either one. So that's it for viral videos.